Hey folks, we have seen in the last video that how to read and write files. Now in this video we are going to cover how to create and remove directories. So let's start. So first of all, let's say I have temp.txt file and I want to remove this file. So let's just call fs.unlink. Unlink is a method and let's provide here file name which is temp.txt and this is callback function. Let's say error. If error is there, then provide here error message and or no error, and let's just try to run it, and you can say no error and temp.txt is successfully deleted. So that's how unlink function works. Now let's look at synchronous and asynchronous way of creating file or directory. So we have first method is make directory, and it's a synchronous method. We have two kind of method, which is synchronous and second is asynchronous. So let's just first look at synchronous method. So fs dot make synchronous directory synchronous, and let's say my directory name is hello. Let's try to run it, and you can see hello directory is created. And let's clear. Also let's try to remove this directory. So rm directory sync, and let's provide here name is hello, and you can see directory hello is deleted. For now, let's just ignore this message, error message. So let me clear. Now let's look at how to asynchronous way works. So for asynchronous way, let's just type here fs dot make directory, and let's say my directory name is hello1, and we have callback method. So if error, so print error and successfully created. Now let's just try to run node index.js, and you can see hello1 directory is created. Now let's just copy and comment, and let's just try to remove this directory. So rmdir is the method. So let's type here, and you can see hello1 directory is deleted. So that's how synchronous and asynchronous method works in the directory. So we have seen how file system works. So now let's just implement a small task and implement our knowledge. So we have to create a directory named file1 and create file named hello.txt inside file1 directory. So first of all, let's create, or let's say make directory, and let's just create file1, and let's handle our error. Let's print here error as, let's create fs dot write file. Our file name is hello.txt. So let's say hello.txt inside our directory name, which is file1, and let's provide here some data. Let's say fake data and callback function, data and error, and let's provide here data. Now let's just try to run node index.js, and you can see file 1 is created, and inside file 1 hello.txt is created and fake data is created. So you can see that's how file system works. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.